I'm getting ready to head out. So we gotta go to Hobby Lobby to get some craft stuff for Mops, as I said last night, and then I gotta go to Walmart for a few things. Let me know if any of you guys have this problem, but my iPad will not charge. It registers it and then it turns off, and it registers it and then it turns off, and it registers it and then it turns off. And we have tried both of our cords, multiple plugins, tried plugging it into the computer. It is not the cords, because obviously they work for our phones without any problems. So I think our iPad needs to be replaced, because it's dead. It's not. That's unfortunate. See, let me show you guys what it's doing. So we plug it in. Ready? Ugh. So plug it in, and it goes like this, so it acts like it's going to charge up. And then it disappears. And then it stops doing it. So I don't know. It makes me sad. I don't want to have to pay for a new iPad. These are expensive. Oh, I guess that's what that tax return money is for, huh? So I don't know what's going on. I might look it up and see if I can figure it out on the internet, but more than likely I think it's dead. The girls are entranced in the show.
I gotta stick this in the car all day.
You're gonna put it in the car all day? Well, that's your sister's doll, so should it be her choice? Well, remember, if you're a good girl, we'll go get you your own, okay? Got these two little nuggets in the kitchen playing with the umbrella.
Bye,
Umbrella?
it's raining.
Are you pretending it's raining?
Yeah. Good. Yeah, it's raining. Oh, good.
That wouldn't be very good if it's raining in the house.
Yeah. It's raining in the house.
Anyways, we are about to leave. The babysitter should be here in like 15 minutes or so. And then we are going to get out of here and go to a concert. Alright guys, we are home. It's about 1 a.m. We're exhausted and just want to go to bed. We were standing for over 4 hours. As you guys saw, we were like pretty close in the front. We were like probably about the 4th row. Because it's just standing room only. And our feet are killing us. My back is killing me. And it's just, we are gonna go to bed. So I'll see you guys later.